Indian diaspora is a major stakeholder in the science, technology, innovation policy process, and today's consultation aims at generating and streamlining key areas in the making of STIP 2020. It is important to build policy level mechanisms to create suitable opportunities for attracting best talents back home, and also to create facilitating channels for the diaspora to contribute in national development from their respective locations. The upcoming policy aims to address both first and second generation diaspora by facilitating institutional mechanisms for engagement with Indian ecosystem. India prides itself on having a diaspora empire on which the sun never sets. The Indian diaspora has been a source of remittances, technology, and intellectual power. Ever since the Indian economy was liberalized and began to grow at a rapid pace, the massive number of diaspora became a strong pillar of the Indian economy. The significant contributions of the large and highly skilled Indian diaspora communities in forging the development of Indian IT and biotech industry is well recognized by now. We acknowledge the huge untapped potential of the diaspora and aim at connecting with them back to Indian scientific and economic ecosystem. Reinforcing this engagement will enable India to leverage its science and technology expertise across the globe for robust growth in all areas of science, technology, and innovation. As India and the world reorient in the present context of the COVID-19 crisis, a landmark policy initiative, Science, Technology, and Innovation Policy 2020, has been initiated. The core vision of STIP 2020 is the decentralization of policy designing by making it a bottom-up and inclusive process. It aims to realign priorities, sectoral focus, and methods of research and technology development with the goals of larger socio-economic progress. The proposed Science, Technology, Innovation Policy is expected to leverage the astounding progress that the STI system has witnessed in recent years and build a long-term pathway which must be able to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of millions of young Indian scientists and students. This can be done only when we make policy formulation totally inclusive and participatory.